Section 5. Virtualization and Management Overview. The major components of virtualization and management include the AMP, the Advanced Management Pod, which comes in two versions, either the Mini AMP or the High Availability AMP, VMware's vSphere software, which includes the ESXi Bare Metal Hypervisor and vCenter Server, the Cisco Nexus 1000V Virtual Switch, EMC UIMP, UCS Manager, and the Array Management Software and Cisco Fabric Manager. Let's take a look at the AMP hardware that's offered as part of the vBlock platform solution. Today there are two offerings. There is the Mini AMP, which includes one Cisco UCS rack mount server, two Cisco Ethernet switches. Today we're offering the 3560 as part of the solution, and a local storage. Up to 4 terabytes of local storage is used as part of the solution. Customers alternatively could look at the High Availability AMP or HA AMP. With the HA AMP, customers are going to get two Cisco UCS rack mount servers. They'll get the same two Cisco Ethernet switches, and instead of using local storage here, we'll use an EMC VNXE 3100 series storage array. VMware vSphere, the industry-leading virtualization platform for building cloud infrastructures, is leveraged by vBlock series platforms. This includes the Bare Metal Hypervisor ESXi and vCenter, which provides unified management of all the hosts and virtual machines in your data center from a single console. EMC's Unified Infrastructure Manager for provisioning allows IT staff to work more efficiently, focusing more on strategic initiatives and less on routine tasks. UIMP provides policy-based converged infrastructure provisioning. UIMP provides the ability to create service profiles, enabling customers to create infrastructure templates that are needed to build IT services and form the basis for delivering infrastructure as a service. UIMP provides a centralized tool which allows you to administer and manage vBlock resources, resource allocation, and provisioning. Customers have the ability to extend management capabilities with integration. The in-context integration with vCenter synchronizes ESX and ESXi clusters for comprehensive aligned management. Common cluster settings such as DRS and HA are also available to set. UIMP also offers tight VMware vCloud Director integration, providing for the creation of a provider VDC out of the infrastructure service. Customers can use the UIMP dashboard to quickly and easily view information on their vBlock platform. They can identify pool use and availability, as well as the state of the infrastructure services. With UIMP, customers can identify changes to the configuration state and compare them to expected values. Customers can also utilize predefined compliance rules for platform and infrastructure services. These rules cover the UCS chassis and servers, MDS and Nexus switches, EMC VNX and Symmetrix VMAX storage arrays, blade network configuration, SAN zoning, and LUN configuration. The EMC VNX series is preloaded with VCE-supported VNX operating environment and is managed by Unisphere. The Symmetrix VMAX Enterprise storage is loaded with VCE-supported Ingenuity code and is managed by the Symmetrix Management Package. Section 6. Platforms. The vBlock platform family consists of two series, the 300 platform and the 700 platform. Within the 300 platform, we have 4 models today, the EX, the FX, the GX, and the HX. And with the 700 platform, we have 2 models, the LX and the MX. Let's review vBlock infrastructure platforms. The offerings today include the vBlock Series 700 and the vBlock Series 300. Both series utilize the Cisco Unified Computing System, VMware's virtualization software, Unified Infrastructure Manager for provisioning, and Cisco-related networking components. The main differences between the two series are the back-end storage. The vBlock Series 700 utilizes the EMC Symmetrix VMAX, and the vBlock Series 300 utilizes the EMC VNX. This chart illustrates the features of the vBlock Series 300 and the vBlock Series 700 models. Notice that the main differences are found in the number of blades and disk drives supported. This chart provides a brief overview of the original vBlock platform models, the vBlock 0, the vBlock 1, the vBlock 1U, and the vBlock 2. The vBlock platform is based on a specific design governance. We provide a full solution based on a reference architecture and proven best practices. It's pre-tested, fully integrated, ready to go, and ready to grow. This balanced configuration provides compute power, I/O capability, and plenty of network capacity. It provides server virtualization for application and services, and is easy to deploy and manage. The vBlock platform provides the ability to scale up by adding additional compute and storage, or to scale out by adding additional vBlocks. This modular architecture enables seamless scaling. We provide what's known as a base and upgrade approach. The base configuration includes all of the core components when you purchase your vBlock. You have the ability to upgrade both compute and storage capacity within model parameters. For example, if you were to purchase a VNX-EX base, which includes 29 disk drives, you could scale that up to a total of 120 disk drives. Customers have the ability to aggregate and scale out vBlock platforms by adding additional vBlocks. Today, UIMP can manage up to 10 vBlock platforms. Let's review some vBlock platform design principles. A vBlock provides rapid deployment. Their building blocks simple. They act as a data center unit of assembly, providing a set of services at a known performance level to target consumers. They're optimized for the classes of services that they've been designed to provide. Optionally, blades can be clustered for availability. vBlocks can be aggregated for scalability. And each vBlock platform can run independently. It's a viable solution on its own. When considering fault and service isolation, keep in mind that the vBlock consists of enterprise-class components that are integrated together to provide no single point of failure. Through the use of UIMP, we have the ability to create a policy-driven IT infrastructure. We can develop our own service catalogs and templates to ensure a repeatable, compliant IT process. Using service catalogs to create a service offering, such as a gold or silver or bronze service, helps us reduce the amount of time it takes to provision blades. It also reduces the risk of configuration errors and non-compliance. When a vBlock arrives on site, it's ready to go and ready to grow. vBlocks come in base configurations that represent an entry point to each vBlock type. The base configuration is going to include your racks, your PDUs, cabling and patch panels, an advanced management pod, your UCS non-blade hardware, that's the chassis and the I/O modules along with the cables, and an initial storage system configuration that provides a very small amount of storage to get customers started. As the customer environment grows, we offer scale-up opportunities with upgrades that extend the base capacity and performance. Customers can add additional blade packs, disk and disk enclosure packs, chassis activation kits, and additional SAN and Ethernet components as required. These scalable configuration options provide a reduced entry cost while maintaining balanced subscription ratios as the customer's environment grows. Here's a vBlock platform model summary. The vBlock 300EX and FX models offer an entry-level configuration addressing small data centers or organizations. The 300GX and HX models provide a broad range of IT capabilities. And the 700LX and MX models are targeted at the enterprise and service provider. Summary.